The SC-F1030 features a front operation design. All print operations and basic maintenance such as change of maintenance box, wiper unit, head maintenance set, as well as ink and substrate loading can be carried out from the front of the printer. The maintenance box is essential as it keeps your printer running smoothly by collecting waste ink. If the box gets too full, it may result in leaks or clogs, leading to errors. Replace the maintenance box when a notification alert shows up on the printer. Doing so ensures efficient operation and helps maintain excellent print quality. This simple action can prevent potential issues and keep your printer performing at its best. Ready to keep your printer in top shape? Start by pressing the menu button on the home screen, then select Maintenance. Then select the option to replace maintenance parts and choose Maintenance Box. Open the printer cover using the handle. Open the maintenance box cover. Remove the maintenance box with both hands. Place the used maintenance box in the bag supplied with the new box. Do not touch the section shown in the image. Insert the new maintenance box and push it in firmly. Close the maintenance box cover. Close the printer cover. The maintenance box replacement is now complete. Replacing the wiper unit in a printer is essential for maintaining print quality and extending the life of the print head, as it removes excess ink and debris. Replace the wiper unit when a notification alert shows up on the printer. To replace the wiper unit, begin by pressing the menu button on the home screen, then select Maintenance. Next, select the option to replace maintenance parts and choose the wiper unit. Open the printer cover using the handle. Place your fingers in the indentations at the back of the wiper unit and pull it slightly forward. Lift up the wiper unit to remove it. After taking out the new wiper unit, use its packaging to wrap the wiper unit that was removed. Place the new wiper unit onto the bracket and make sure it is securely positioned. The wiper unit replacement is now complete. Close the printer cover. Replacing the head maintenance set in a printer ensures optimal print quality, prevents clogs, and prolongs the print head's life. Replace the head maintenance set when a notification alert shows up on the printer. To replace the maintenance parts, start by pressing the menu on the home screen, then select Maintenance. Then select the option to replace maintenance parts and choose the head maintenance set. Open the printer cover using the handle. Grip the tab and pull the flushing pad up slowly. Once the waste ink stops dripping, remove the used pad from the printer and place it on a metal tray. Place the used flushing pad in the bag supplied with the new box. Insert the tabs of the new flushing pad into the holes and push it until it clicks into place. Confirm that it is attached correctly. Take the new capping station out of the bag and then remove the cover. Press the area shown in the image to remove the capping station. Put the used capping station in the bag. Use the bag that previously contained the new capping station. Insert the two hooks on the new capping station into the slots and push down until it clicks into place. Close the printer cover. Select Yes. Ensure that the flushing pads are installed correctly and select Tick. Click on the Home button to complete the head maintenance set replacement. To change the ink packs, open the ink pack compartment cover to access the ink tray. Pull the ink tray out and remove the depleted ink pack from it. Replace the old pack with a new one, ensuring it is securely in place. Once the new ink pack is installed, close the front cover. The ink pack change is now complete. Keep your printer well maintained for hassle-free printing, better productivity, and less downtime.